Trading in options is all about making smart decisions in the nick of time. Here's how to create a personalized watchlist for options traders who want to make quick decisions on options contracts. Step 1. Log in to the Mirae Asset Sharekhan app using your credentials. Click on Market Watch in the bottom bar. Select EZYOptions from the drop-down list. Click on the settings icon and follow these steps. Select the script name. Choose the expiry date. Enter the center strike price. Enter the number of scripts to be shown above and below the center strike. Select the strike price difference from the drop-down list. Click Apply on the settings page. Your personalized watchlist will now be ready. This watchlist allows you to track and trade suitable option opportunities with ease and efficiency. You can add up to 22 strikes from ATM at one time.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.